Okay, so finally I have the time to give you the free note to one lucky winner. Watch the video to the end to get to see who is going to be the winner for agent layer. So thank you so much for everybody who used my link. And also as a big thank you, in 2 days time, I'm also going to send $50 to a couple of people, the people who used my link to get the note. Why? Because the very important thing in my life is to give something back. And again, thank you so much if you use my link. I will send you one note today. It's not me, the team sending you. And also, I'm going to pick up a couple of winners in the next couple of days because this agent layer who is having a lot of updates every day, they're going to have new hot updates in the next 48 hours. So I'll make a new update video for that. So agent layer, they already have community of 2.5 million registered wallets, 3.4 million total agent page views, and that is crazy. So what agent layer? It's a node, it's a project. They're selling a nodes. You can buy the node and hold in your wallet just like that, and you're earning tokens. The token is coming end of the month, end of July or beginning of next month, as I understand. I did a AMA with them. They mentioned when, I think was in the next couple of weeks, beginning of August, and the price will be 10 cents at least, what is very, very good to know. Now, that will be the listing price, okay? And now we can get the node and we can earn the tokens. How you buy the node? Okay, it's very simple. You go right here, you go here, APGN, this is the node. It's 7,077 sold when I'm doing this video, okay? And the price is now $1,000. Now watch the next couple of videos. I'm going to make a very important video for different nodes, for these nodes, updates. Watch it because you can be surprised what's coming next. Also, I'm talking about for these guys or for next video, for just watch my videos. All right, so this is for the agent layer. So the price of the node is $1,000, and you can buy using BNB chain, Polygon chain, Base chain, any chain. You just buy, connect your wallet, and that's about it. Make sure you use the ledger just to protect yourself, okay? Make sure you do that. And just a huge disclaimer, all right? Nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you never, ever, ever put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto. You can lose very easy everything. Okay, so that's about the node. There are 200,000 tokens. Divide for everybody who hold the node. So if you divide this by this, you're going to get around 28 tokens per day. In the listing price, what is 10 cents? Well, you're getting around $3 per day at this moment. Now, usually, according to the history of the last couple of nodes, what I have been involved, what they are very similar, in the thing the similarity is for like listing price. I'm talking about like the listing and also picking up like a node, starting with nodes. The token price did 10x, 12, 10, 13, 14x. So just imagine if the price went to $1 and if you're picking up around 20 something bucks, 20 something, 28, 30, like 30 tokens per day, this means the same like you're making $30 per day if the price hit $1. Now, we don't know what will be the price. If everybody dumped the price, well, the price can go down. Now, the question here is, if you went here day number one, well, you're going to already see the nice, juicy tokens. Now, there are a few things where I want to mention to you. Okay, if you go here for rewards, you can go, they have some quests, you can go and daily check-in, you can pick up points, and the points you get as an airdrop some tokens. Invite friends, agent onboarding, daily agent usage, and follow agent layer on X. Okay, so you always have some quests to get some tokens. But if you go and check on their Twitter, okay, if you go and check on their Twitter, they have over 155,000 followers. They don't follow me. What's wrong with you? All right, agent layer, go and follow me. But if you mention here, you will see that that basically this is the purchase tutorial. But if you go down here, they're making pretty much every day or sometimes 2 per day partnership, and they announce here. So with Play AI, and also the good stuff is when you hold the token, the node, you're going to get some airdrop from a potential airdrop from this potential partnership. What's happening? Like with Mantle, this is a big stuff. Okay, so 1 million Mantle up for grabs for ecosystem. So that's from them. However, you can go and do some tasks. And here you will see on Mantle they have agent layer here, okay? And this is a big, huge project. Okay, next one, like just on the 12th, so that was on 12th of July. This is on 12th, the same day, okay? Agent layer and Second Life, okay? Bean tokens and all this stuff. Exclusive airdrop for 5,000 agent layer holders. So if you're between that 5,000, they're going to send you tokens, okay? That is crazy, guys, okay? So Then next one, July 11. Again, they're giving away some, so they're doing some partnership and they're using, I guess, from the partnership some money for giveaways. Okay, that's crazy. Then July 10, again, we are thrilled to team up with Asian Layer decentralized. Okay, U2U network. Okay, that's crazy. Next one, again, July 10, big news. Okay, Asian Layer and Unitlr joined forces. It's just that's the same one. Sorry, July 9, Asian Layer review. It's just they're doing collaboration and partnership every single day. I cannot even keep up on what's happening. Okay, so this is the team, I guess. Where was the team? I guess here they have the Web3 solution 2024. So they're going to have from the team the Asian Layer from the team right here. They're going, and I hope if they come to my next visit in Singapore for Token 2024, I'm going to visit these. I'm going to see them and I'm going to do a live update and AMA with them and watch my video from the previous AMA what I did with them, because they give you a lot of alpha what was just 3 weeks ago. Again, let's go and let's picking up the winner. So this is all the people who add my address, who use my address as a referral link. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate it. Again, remember in 2-3 days, I'm going to pick up 2 people. Actually, I'll pick up 2 people, 3 people. I'll send you $50 each again as a thank you. And today, let me do the giveaway for the node. Okay, so this is all the address here. So maybe you will see your address here somewhere. So let me just move my face, I guess. Here you will see your address. This must be your, for all of you who use my link, thank you so much. And the winner is... Go, 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 go! Yes! That's me! No, it's not me, but whoever you are, congratulations to you, my friend. Have a happy node. Yes! Well done to you and congratulations. I will send the note. I will send your address to the team today, now, and I hope you get the note in the next few days' time. All right, so let me know in the comment section when you get it. Hopefully you let me know. If not, shame on you. Okay, watch me in the next very important video, what's coming in the next few hours or in the next 12 hours. All right, so thank you so much. Again, congratulations to you, and I will see you in the next video, what is important for node holders. All right.